This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
There we go. Cash on with 5x on the top slot. Can we? Push! Push! I see the head! Yes! Cash on. Let's calm down. Let's calm down. Right? I'm calm. Are you calm? Are you calm? I'm calm. Are you? Gotta multiply them. Can't leave it like that. Right? Can't leave it like that. Highest is 250x. Alrighty. Gotta mix it. 500x actually is the highest one. Gotta mix it up. Didn't notice the 500. So 500 is the highest. But we did have some 250x's there in the middle hiding, you know. Touching their hands, licking their lips. Well, you know, have to choose now. Have to choose. Right? If you don't choose, it chooses automatically for you. If you can't take the pressure, then you can just wait, and it will choose a random one. But then you will blame that the random one chose on purpose, something that you don't like, maybe. Alrighty.
This is the amount of money issued, 392,650 for euros.
Maybe you chose it. Congratulations to all the players that won. Very well done. 504 ready. SK, Evo, 143 players got that. 8.6 thousand players won in total. On top we have Money, Yuki, and ESD. Well done. Bidding time. Bidding time, of course. That was a good one. Did I please the masters this time? I hope I did. I hope you're pleased. With the power of friendship, I say. There we go. Pachinko at 5x on the top slot. Hey.
It's luck. Doo-doo-doo. Yes. Hi. Hello, Fo is bad. Hi. Nice to see you back. Hello, Kay. Oh, come on. Give us that 4X. Yes. It's in. It's coming in here, baby. Crazy. We got it. Ooh, we got the top slot going. Let's stir the pot. Let's drop that 4X on top of everything here on this wheel. Woo! 4 times better. Every single segment's gonna be 4 times better. Okay. So right now, all you have to do is go for your choice, which flapper to go for. Yes. Up to you, the green, the blue, the yellow one. Make decision, or maybe auto pick option instead. So right now we're looking at 400x is the highest. Good luck, everybody. Yes. Ooh, this is gonna be. Come on, be good. Double for the green flapper. All right. Let's go green. It's even better now. It's 800x here on the line. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued, 614,992 euros.
120, 80, and 200x, you guys. Well, we did lose something here, didn't we? 5.9k total winners. Congratulations. Beautiful wins all across the board for all of the flappers, really. So, yes. I mean, come Michelle, you believed in me. You believed in all of us. 7X on Crazy Town with the top. Yeah, so 6.6K total winners. We got Miss Mimi, Boy, and Nisar. Top winners here. Here's another spin sound. Let's go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm very, very curious what could be the next result. Whoa. Starting off strong with those cash hunts. 7X on cash and then a top slot. No way. Yes way, guys. Guess what? Wowzers. Wowzers. We have another cash under 3 times in a row, and this one is special. It's extra special, guys. It's 7X on top of everything here on the wall. Look at that. Beautiful. This is music to my eyes. 7X. 700X right there is the highest one. Look at all the beautiful multipliers. 350X, I suppose, is the next best thing here. So, oh boy. Have a fun hunting. Ladies and gentlemen, this should be fun. Now, this should be fun right now. Lots of beautiful multipliers all across the board. Yes, Anderson, it's a pretty good board here right now. So, yeah, either you pick something, auto pick is always there. And let's see what's the result right now. Seconds. 3, 2, 1.
This is the amount of money issued 644,502 euros.
Let's see how many of you got it. 29 got it. 415 next best thing. 350X winners. Yeah. 7.4K total winners. Whoa. Yes. Nice money flowing around right now for all of you guys. Whoa. Whoa. Now that's something.
Still haven't had any bonus game. You need some bonus game. Plus it. One more second. Good luck. Let's see. What is it gonna be now? Good luck. Cash in with the selection of the top spot. Have I ever had what? Oh, what is that supposed to be, player? Explain what that is, and I'm gonna tell you if I have had it or haven't. Come on! Woo! Yeah, it is a cash hunt, baby. Let's go! Oh, with a 2X. Look at that. We have a 2X for ourselves, humans. Nice. Okay, welcome to cash hunt. This is exciting. 500X. 1,000X. Okay. I'm speechless, but okay. That is done. You gotta find the 1,000 now. Players, come on! Collect your brain cells. I don't know, you can find it. I believe in you. You can do this. 1,000X is on this board. You can do this. Let's go. Last seconds. No more seconds, okay?
This is the amount of money issued 192,483 euros.
Oh boy, so pretty. Oh boy. Amazing. Mwah. Delish. Okay, my congratulations to all of you winners. 209 of you. Well, actually, you found 1,000. You found 1,000. Let's go. Oh, that was nice. Okay, enjoy. Let's go.
All right, that's the pose. Good luck. 7X crazy time. Ladies and gentlemen, this time we did not miss anything, okay? We did not miss anything. We got a crazy time with a 7X. It's up there. 7X, ladies and gentlemen, crazy time. This is going to be fun. Let's go. Okay, guys, you already know it. Green, blue, yellow. Choose one of the colors and, hey, sit back and relax. Good luck. I don't know what's going to happen. Let's see. Bang, good luck.
This is the amount of money issued: 1,363,709 euros.
That was nice, right? 350x. And another 50x and 100x. Bam! Let's go. 7,000 winners in total. 43,000 for the top winner. That was lovely. That was a crazy time with a 7x. We didn't miss anything this time. Yep. All right. That was nice. Oh.
Shouldn't you be in jail, Diddy? P. Diddy? No, it's probably a different Diddy. Let's go. Sniffs the lemon? What does that mean? You are stars, my friend? I don't know what you wrote there. Fake man? What does that mean? Crazy time with 3x in top slot? What does fake man mean? Ah, ha! Crazy time for all my haters. With 3x. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. Oh my. How? How is it even possible? Follow me, friends. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba. All right, 3 times everything, right? Everything's 3 times better except for me. I'm the same old worst host as some of you called me. I gotta multiply. 3x. Missed it? Well, maybe next time. What will be the highest multiple? Decision time, of course. Green, blue, yellow. Those are the colors I know. Thank you in advance, buddy. Well, you are very confident. Around 38% hoping for blue. 41%. 300x is the highest. Oh, there. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Give it to us. We deserve it. It has been a long day. A long day. And wow, ooh la la, someone green boys and girls, doubling. 105 for yellow team and 60x for blue team. Alright, up 600 is max. Let's go. Can we get another double? Come on, please. Green team for the win. All the marbles. All the clams. We gotta double it again. We gotta double it again. Woo! Imagine later you get like 1x. It's not possible to get 1x, but 1.2 thousand. Top multi. Let's go. More doubles. Green team must be very happy right now. I hope you'll be happy once you'll see the outcome as well, because I'm hoping for the best. And what the? What's happening? That's another double. What is happening? Is this a false? Imagine it's only a dream. Only a dream. That's another double. Let's do it. Double it. 2.4 thousand. Max possible outcome. X, of course. 2.4 thousand X. Wow. I've never seen this happen. Never seen it happen. Maybe that's because last time I was here like a year ago. And I've been here.
This is the amount of money issued: 776,176 euros.
80 times your bet. Ba-da-ba-ba-da. Friends, ladies, gentlemen, 5.8 thousand. You won Poppy at the top. 99,000 euro win. Clever and money as well on top. 49, 48,000. Whoo! Hoo-wee. That is a good one. Now, what are you saying? Worst host? Can you say it again? That was only lucky. No, it wasn't me, so. Just a reminder, I'm just a guy who spins a wheel, yaps around.
Let's continue on betting time, newcomers. Please join. Welcome to Crazy Zam Zam with you. your autoplay and bet on the option. But back to anime. Ladies and gentlemen, what's your favorite anime? Recently, I've been watching a lot of Honest. No, okay, not a lot, just 3 of them. Link Click is so cool. If you like a little bit of mystery, a little bit of detective, for X Coin Flip, and I would say Crazy Spirited Away, it's forever my favorite. Let me tell you, I think I already watched it like 50 times. Like, I'm telling you. Ooh, Coin Flip with a 4 times multiplier, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, got him. Ha, cool. And you already know 1 coin, 2 sides, right? Let's go, everyone, and welcome to Coin Flip. Let's get the best of the best, the best of the best. Look. 2x blue? That was 100x there. 400x red, ladies and gentlemen. Please keep your fingers crossed. We need the red side. We need 400 times multiplier. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. I'm afraid to watch. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued 1,657,814 euros.
400x for Coin Flip. Yeah! Well done. Congratulations, everyone. 9,197 winner. Woo-hoo! 100,000 euro for money, the top winner. Wow! Congratulations, everyone. We did it. We made it. Got him! Woo-hoo! I'm even getting dizzy right now because I'm so hyped. Woo-hoo! That was so...
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.